something or someone, 'di ba, na nag-i-inspire sa'yo, na nagbibigay sa'yo ng ekstrang saya, ekstrang high vibe, ekstrang, tawag dito, ekstrang kilig, yung gano'n, ano? So, good luck sa iyo diyan. We have unmarked trail, revelation. Ayan, Scorpio. There could be a new beginning dito. Maaaring kayo ay magsisimula ng bagong kaganapan sa buhay. There could be a new endeavor. There could be a new adventure para sa'yo. And kung saan man ito, no, papunta, that will be revealed to you. And saan man ang direksyon nito na dapat mong puntahan, that will be shown to you ng Divine Universe. Kaya, importante na makikinig kayo, no, sa inyong intuition. Importante na magpe-pay attention kayo sa mga intuitive messages and nudges, mga signs, omens, synchronicities, mga ganon. Those are all guidance, no, from the divine. Those are all messages para sa iyo to guide you kung nasaan ito or saan kayo dapat papunta or mapunta. Okay? So, we have stranger, curiosity. Ayan. So, ang iba sa inyo din, Scorpio, dito, maybe you are going to learn something new. No? Maybe you are curious about something. Maaring meron kayong bagong gagawin, maaring meron kayong gustong alamin, gustong matutunan, yung mga ganon. So, and you are going to be, maybe you are also going to be inspired, no? To pursue that kung ano man itong gusto mong madiskubre, gusto mong malaman, gusto mong matutunan, no? Kaya, feeling ko, you will be super interested, no? Na gawin yan at hanggang sa ma-accomplish mo kung ano yung gusto mong ma-accomplish dyan. So, good luck po. So, what else? So, we have partnership. Ayan. So, meron ditong partnership, no? That could be a new love or romantic relationship na papasukin ng iba sa inyo, or po pwedeng business partnership, or po pwedeng you are going to work in a team. Maaring makikipag ano ka rito, makikipag-collaborate with someone. Pwede rin na merong bagong friendly connection dito, no? Baka magiging kaibigan, maaaring may mga ganon, okay? At ang maganda rito, no, you are going to be supportive of each other. You will be of help to each other. Sabi din dito, learn to grow with others, overcome obstacles by working together, touch each other's hearts while life lasts. Ayan. So, parang isang relationship ito na sisimulan ninyo, and this is going to bloom. This is going to blossom, diba? Kasi nga, makikita ninyo dito, no, na kahit anumang klaseng